Hey folks, Craig Lavati here with the Houston Museum of Natural Science. I am here at the Sugarland campus with Seeju. She is the Jingle Tree artist extraordinaire. You do everything here when it comes to Jingle Tree.
Pretty
Jingle
much.
Tree is a huge deal here at the Sugarland campus.
Yeah.
You are going to teach me how to not be a bum and everybody else, how to not be a bum on Christmas. And you're here to show me how to actually make pretty ribbons.
I am. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you a really simple way to make a bow. So basically you just go to Michael's, Joann's, one of those craft stores, and just purchase a floral block. And
chopsticks.
Yep, chopsticks.
So you have to go get Chinese food. I know for a lot of people that's a hard deal. So then you shove those in there, you rip them apart, shove them in there.
You put those in there. Okay, so what you're gonna do, let's use the real pretty, this real pretty color here.
You have just a wide array of ribbon over here too.
I do, and this one, my favorite is wire ribbon because it holds its form and shape.
Okay, there's structure to wire ribbon. Okay.
Yeah, now if you use just ribbon with no wire in it, you can do beautiful bows, but they'll be floppier.
Okay, no floppy bows.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just really gonna.
So you're sort of using this as a guide or a template. Okay.
Yeah, and they do make these. You can purchase these, but I'm an artist. Why do I have to spend the money to buy one when I can make it?
And you can get Chinese food with the chopsticks.
Exactly. So we have a ribbon that is beautiful on both sides. It's a rainbow, fall rainbow on one side and orange on the other side. So if you want all your loops to be a rainbow, so what you're gonna do is twist in the middle, okay?
You're already like
it's just a little
miles
twist.
beyond what I would do.
Just a little twist, okay? And so I would loop this over. So I'm gonna twist it in the middle, and then you want to try a loop?
I suppose.
Okay,
all
so
right.
I'm gonna untangle this.
I'm all thumbs.
You're all thumbs, but I think you can do it.
Bear with me, okay.
All right, so put your finger there.
Okay.
Now remember, you want this to be a rainbow, so you're gonna have to twist a little in the middle.
Okay.
Just turn a little twist. There you go. He's doing pretty good.
Okay, twist.
Yep. And then bring over. Are you left-handed or right-handed?
Right-handed most of the time.
So with the scissors.
Okay.
All right, so go ahead. Yeah.
Snowman
very slowly.
Wow. Yes.
So I want to say real quick while he's cutting this is that you really want to buy several pairs of dollar store scissors. Do not use your main sewing scissors or house scissors because the wire will dull your scissors, okay? And you're gonna need several anyway because if their scissors are getting dull from the wire, you still need sharp ones for the fabric. All right, so I'm gonna give you just a piece of
keep my finger
pipe
here
cleaner.
all day.
Yeah, so you can let go now. Just slightly, just slightly let go. Yeah, just a little bit. And then you're gonna raise it.
Oh, that keeps it all together.
Yeah.
The tinsel pipe cleaners, that keeps it all together.
Exactly. And go ahead and twist. Okay, see, you got one twist now.
Cute little mustache.
And so now all you have to do is just kind of do a little twisting and perk your bow up. And you did this all. Look at that. See what you did?
That was teamwork, by the way.
Yeah. Look, see, isn't that cute? All right, so and basically here's a little simple bow that you have on the top of your gift. But you might want to cover your sides if your sides are not all matched up and look all nice. So what you can do is.
So you've seen me wrap presents, obviously.
Well, maybe.
That felt a little. Too close to home.
I'm gonna use my imagination.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take some ribbon. Now see, I've got my ugly sides all hid. So I'm gonna have you take this and hold it in the middle. Okay. And you don't have to have another person help you. You really can do all of this by yourself. All right, there you go. Pull your finger out.
I mean, I can keep it attached to the thing.
Yeah. And so now what you're gonna do is really the wire, see, watch. When I pull, the wire will just pop. And the other fun part about the wire is that you can see how I can make little ripples?
There's a texture to it.
See, we did it together.
Oh my.
Yeah.
That is cool. So you've done this one and this one and Awesome.
Now, so what happens next is this ribbon is beautiful on its own, but by adding another ribbon, you see we've added a little
Layers, texture,
yeah. So
color,
we're adding a
beauty.
little more pizzazz. So see, okay, and then you can keep adding ribbons. So now I've added not only a silver and gold ribbon, but now I've added a really, really wide ribbon. And so that also gives a whole nother look.
So you just get tons of ribbon delivered to your
Yeah.
house every Christmas?
I start shopping for ribbon at Easter.
Wow.
I will go to the dollar store. I'll go to any
So
store
you're buying ribbon all year long?
all year long.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, over here at the Sugar Land campus, we love the Jingle Tree promotion. Starting on November 15th, we're going to start a whole week of, I guess, just festivities around
Yes.
Jingle Tree.
Yes.
On November 19th, that's a Tuesday, there's going to be a holiday how-to event
Yes.
with all manner of little workshops and classes on how to do things just like this. There's going to be ribbon making with you, food stuffs, I believe.
Yes,
They're going to be
a lot
talking
of
about.
nice. Yes, we have wonderful samplings and treats to eat. You'll go from probably room to spaces of different classes that you can learn different crafts and things that you can decorate for the Christmas. We'll have special guests here that'll show you how to do tablescapes, and you'll also get to see all the wonderful Christmas trees that have been designed and donated, and so it's a lot to look forward to.
Because apparently you're somewhat of a Christmas tree designer extraordinaire, I understand.
I reckon so, I guess.
That's why you're here. And you're gonna get fed. Obviously, there's gonna be cookies
Yes.
in here and stuff. So
Yes.
you're gonna leave. Your stomach's gonna be full when you leave, and so is your brain.
Your brain,
with
you'll
all
be on
sorts of
overload.
Christmas overload, and it's not even gonna be Thanksgiving yet.
Right.
Well, thank you for all of this. You've expanded my mind. Like, all my friends and family now are gonna be like, where did you learn how to make these bows?
Well, now you're gonna have to actually make bows this year.
I am. Yeah, they've seen
No
me do this.
excuse.
Now I have to do
Exactly.
it.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mom.
At least for your mom.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you, everybody.